You want to go to the circus? I've never been to the circus.
Why? Why?
Because
Because what?
the first circus I come to Jamaica.
No! You know what circus me go? No circus.
Was Kirkus?
Me did that circus me go with me when I was a little girl.
How little?
Little. I
No.
was scared of the lions. And they come out. When they come out, when they come out here, roar! I mean, can be afraid.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Okay. I've never been to the circus. You want to go to the circus later? Alright.
They're taking me to the circus later?
Yeah, we're going to the circus later. You're gonna hear the lions. How the lion them go again? Okay.
The lions are my favorite. And the elephants. Elephants are funny. They throw water on you.
Let them suck it up in them trunks and spit it out. A trunk's it name?
Trunk.
Trunk. Trunk.
Trunk. Chunks.
What's the veggie chunks? Okay.
Okay. Okay, man.
Go to sleep, kitty. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little pussycat. So we are going to the circus later, guys. First time for me. I'm gonna see what it is all about.
You're going to have fun.
I hope. You're coming to the circus, kitty? They just wanna see how I sleep eventually.
Hey, somebody just tell me say when circus normally come in I pass, they used to thief people dog and sell it to people and make them use it feed the lions them.
The lions eat them?
Sell it to the circus people.
You have to go run up some dog then.
Not true. You come like you want to start with kitty first.
Dude, they eat cat?
I guess a lions they eat everything.
They must eat pussy.
But I
cat.
want them they eat pussy.
Cat.
but like how kitty a cat. And them a cat too. You think they would eat kitty?
Well,
What do you think, kitty?
I
Hey,
know,
kitty, what
I
do
know
you
of
think?
cases where pussy cat eat pussy cat, so
So pussy, how we can stretch for the pussy so?
pussy cat.
Yeah.
Cause it's a pussy cat.
Oh, it's a kitty cat.
Pussy cat.
Kitty, I know pussy yet. I'm a kitty. You know,
No,
grow up
from them
yet.
born them a pussy.
No, them a
cat.
kitty.
So them born kitty and then they turn pussy cat. See you guys at the circus later, alright?
Popcorn and hot dog.
You want them all?
May I get you?
Yeah.
The first time experience, it was good. That's a laugh. So we're the home?
Home sweet home.
Our more food. Casey right across the road now.
There's not too much taste.
Alright. It is a beautiful Saturday morning. As you can see, I am about to bust some sweat. What better way to start your morning, guys? Listen, without health, nothing else matters really. You have to have your health on point. Without health, there is nothing, right? So I'm gonna bust some sweat now. Early out Saturday morning. Let's do this.
Guys, while Ryan is out gone to the gym, I'm here editing a video. This is a hair video, a do it yourself crochet braid video. It should be up this time, sometime this weekend. It's rendering now, so it should be up by this evening.
Workout was crazy. Just a quick one. Full body workout. Perfect way to start the morning. I'm fully energized and I'm ready to take on the rest of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and get some cat food and then head on home.
Can I get you Can I try them all?
Sure.
You don't have any of the sweet one?
You say ready now?
Eh? Yeah, man, you have the sweet one too.
But he took Cabernet Sauvignon?
This one is what you call the dry one?
Yeah, this is like medium dry.
Oh.
The muscat is sweet.
Mm-hmm.
You like sweet wine?
Yeah.
I like dry wine.
Favorite. I like it like that. This one is what? This one is what?
It's very nice.
Oh.
I think that's enough.
Mm-hmm. Golly.
Be my first customer.
Huh? You gonna get them customer from morning? What do you say?
1238.
How much for it?
1238.
Alright, give me a
$12,038.
$1,238.
Oh.
Including tax.
Oh.
Alright, give me.
Okay.
I need a. Oh, so you taking it off right here? Yeah. So why you mash up your display?
She can't take up and put it back.
Yeah.
Alright, since the one from the shelf.
Alright, I am going to go and come back for it.
How am I gonna do this now?
I can't spend my cat food. My cat money. I can't spend my cat money. Thanks. Here it tastes really nice. Yeah.
So expect you to come back.
Yeah, man, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta get samples. So guys, if I ever go back home and don't get Gizmo food, he's gonna kill me. So, what am I gonna get now? The muscata really tastes nice. I want to get it, but I only work with Gizmo cat food money. I can't spend Gizmo money, so I'm gonna get Gizmo food and come back for the wine. Really tastes nice. But before I go back to the cashier, guys, this is where we're gonna end this vlog. And just wanna say, live, love, and be happy. That's what life is about, right? So until next time, see y'all. Peace out.